Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. In today's video I'm gonna share with you another haul. I mean, who doesn't love a haul, right? And the best thing about this video is that all the products that I'll be sharing are under rupees 250, and I have bought like around 30 products. Now if you want to know what are the products that I got, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Also, let me tell you that all of the products that I'll be showing today, I have purchased this like within 2 weeks. So there are some products which I have already started using. So if you see any product that is quite used, then please don't judge me on that, and make sure you grab some tea or coffee and watch this video because this is gonna be quite a long video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram because I keep on updating about some of the products or some of the things over Instagram. So make sure you follow me over there, and without further ado, let's start with the video. Now the first product that I purchased is the face wash, and this is from Pond's. This is their Pond's Pure White Mineral Clay Facial Foam. I really wanted to try this out because this has been recently launched and I really wanted to try this. Now this came in two variants, but I wanted to try this one first because I'm one person who loves to try one product first or the smaller version first, and then if I like the product I go for a bigger one. So this is the one product and this is how it looks. I have never used this before and this is the first time that I got my hands on this, and I'm really excited for this one. Now this is priced at rupees 110 and you are getting a 40 gram of product. The second face wash that I got is again from Pond's, and this is their Pure White Anti-Pollution Plus Purity Face Wash. Now it had been a couple of months or years that I used this face wash. I don't actually remember when I used this face wash last, so I really wanted to try this out again. So I got my hands on this and this is how it looks. Not a new launch, but anyhow I wanted to try this. Now this is priced at rupees 90 and the amount that is mentioned over here is 50 grams. The next face wash that I got is again from Pond's. I think so Pond's is becoming one of my favorite brands now. Now this is their Pimple Clear Targets Pimples. This is the face wash with activated Thymo tea essence, and this is how it looks. The reason I got this one is because this targets pimples, and I have oily and acne prone skin, so I love any face wash that is good for pimples or that helps in healing pimples. And also the second thing being, Nykaa has rated this face wash like good, so I wanted to try this out. Gram of product, and this is just priced at rupees 130. Really excited to use this one. The next face wash that I got is from Garnier. This is the Garnier Light Complete Fairness Face Wash, and this is how it looks. Now I don't like any of the brands that or any of the products that actually says fairness, because I don't feel that any of the product gives that fairness, but it definitely gives you brightness. But anyhow, I didn't actually see while purchasing this, but anyhow I got this because this has lemon essence, and lemon is really good for a skin type like me, so that's the reason I got. Now this is priced at rupees 85 and the quantity you are getting is 50 gram. The next face wash that I got is from Everyuth. This is the Everyuth Natural Purifying Neem Face Wash, and this is how it looks. Now this is the first time that I got my hands on any Everyuth face wash. I never used any face wash from Everyuth before, but right now I'm like into experimenting and using new face washes and new skincare and new everything new. So I got my hands on this, and this is just priced at rupees 60, and you are getting an amount of a quantity of 50 gram. However, I got this from a local shop, so I got it in a discount and I got it just for rupees 55. Next product or the next face wash that I got is from Biotic, and this is their Bio Pineapple Oil Control Foaming Face Wash, and this is how it looks. Now I have never used any face wash from Biotic again, but really wanted to try this out because this is for oily skin, and anything that is for oily skin I try it. I like trying it, and this is just priced at rupees 65 and the quantity that is mentioned over here is 50 ml. The other face wash that I got is from Nivea. This is the Nivea Milk Delight face wash, and this is for oily skin, and this is how the bottle looks. Such a cute bottle. I mean, I think this is gonna be really travel friendly. I'm really excited for this one because I love the products of Nivea, and I have never used any face wash or this face wash from their Milk Delight range, so I'm quite excited. I hope this is gonna be great. Now this is priced at just ₹85, and you're getting a quantity of 50 ml. Another product that I got is this, and this is the L'Oreal Revital Lift Crystal Micro Essence, and I am like so excited about this product. This is the product that I am most excited about, like as compared to any other product that I got. Now I have seen so much reviews and heard so much about this crystal micro essence. I had to try it. I got a smaller one. This is the 22 ml of bottle, and this is priced at $250. Now if this suits me, then definitely I'll be buying a bigger one, but for now I got this solely for review purpose, and let's see how this goes. The next product that I got is a moisturizer, and this is the Pond's Light Moisture Non-Oily Fresh Feel Moisturizer, and this is how it looks. I have already used their Super Light Gel, and already I think I've already uploaded a review on that moisturizer, and that is a superb moisturizer, and I really wanted to try this out too. I don't know how it is gonna be, but I'm just hoping that it is gonna be great like that one. Now this is just priced at okay, the price is not mentioned. However, I'll try to display the price on the screen, but the quantity you're getting is 75 ml, and really excited for this one. The next product that I got is this one. This is the Himalaya Nourishing Skin Cream, light and non-greasy. Now this is the first time that I got. I have never actually used this anytime before, and I'm really excited for this one too, and this is so affordable. This is just priced at ₹75, and the quantity mentioned over here is 50 ml, and I've purchased quite some products from Himalaya, and really excited to try this range of theirs. That I got is again a moisturizer, and this is from Nivea. This is the Nivea Soft Get Party Ready with Berry Blossom. This is the limited edition, and this is how it looks. Now such a nice and tiny packaging and a tiny bottle. This is priced at ₹85, and you are getting 50 ml of product, and quite excited to use this one too. I've never actually used this one, and I have not even opened this. I'm not gonna open this right now. I'm gonna see how it works and maybe make a separate video on this one too. Let's see. But yeah, this is my next purchase. The next thing I got is this, and this is the sunscreen from Lakme with SPF 50+++. I got this because this was very new to me. This is their tinted sunscreen, and this is how it looks. I've never used a tinted sunscreen before, so this is the first time that I'll ever be using a tinted sunscreen. Now really excited about this product. Now this is a 50 ml of product, and this is priced at ₹300. The next product that I got is also a sunscreen. Now this time this is from Pond's. Now this is the Pond's Sun Protect Non-Oily Sunscreen, and this is how it looks. This is with SPF 30, and this is the first time ever that I'll be using a sunscreen from Pond's, and I'm not sure how it is gonna work, so I took a smaller one. This is priced at ₹99, and you are getting a 35 gram of product. The next product that I got is something which is very new to me, and that is the Hip Hop their cleansing charcoal nose strips. I have never ever used this, and this is the first time that I got this. I have not even used this. I hope this is gonna do what it says, because I get lots of blackheads like from time to time, and I really don't like it, and I just hope this works. I am definitely gonna make a separate review on this one. I'm gonna do a first impression of this. Let's see how it goes, and excited to use this one too. 3 strips of this nose strip, and yeah, this is just priced at ₹90, I believe. Yeah, it is just priced at ₹90. Next purchase is this eyeliners from Lakme. Now I have use the blue one. I already had the blue one, a blue eyeliner from this range of from Lakme, but I really love applying or wearing, you know, colorful eyeliners, and I really wanted to buy this, so I got my hands on both of this is the golden one and this is the green one. Really excited to apply them and, you know, show them. But coming to the price, this is priced at, the green one is priced at rupees 130, whereas the golden one is priced at rupees 120. I got my hands on again an eyeliner, and this time it is from Blue Heaven. Never used this before and I wanted to try this. There were other colors too, but as I said, I will be trying the one first, and if I like, then I'll be purchasing more. Now this is how this eyeliner looks. This is the purple one, and this is just priced at rupees 95, and the quantity you're getting is 6 ml. I have not even opened, and I don't know how it is gonna be, but I'm really excited for this one. Now the next product that I got my hands on is this Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Soothing After Sun Gel. Now I have never used anything like this before. This is the After Sun Gel. You have to apply this after exposure to sun. Really excited to use this one because this is the first time that I will be applying like anything this short of, and this is a 50-gram product, and this is priced at just rupees 200. The next product that I got is a toner, and this is the Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner. This is for all skin type, and really excited to use this one because this is such an affordable you know, toner. This is just priced at rupees 95, and this is 100 ml of bottle, and I've never used any toner that is this affordable. I'm really excited to use. In fact, I've already started using this. You can see that I've already used this much of the product, but I still want to use it for a couple of days or weeks maybe, because I want to have that good and you know, true results. So yeah, just waiting for that. But yeah, this is another purchase that I made. The another product that I got is a cleansing milk, and this is from Nivea. Now this is the Nivea refreshing cleansing milk. This is for normal skin type. However, I wanted to buy something for oily skin, but I didn't see anything for oily. There was only one skin type mentioned, and this is 125 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 175. I love the cleansing milk from Lakme, so I'm really excited for this one too, because I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I hope this is gonna be great. The other product that I got my hands on is again a cleansing milk, and this is from Himalaya. This is the Himalaya Refreshing Cleansing Milk. This is also for all skin type. Now Himalaya is one brand that I can trust because I have been using this since my teenage, and till now it works really good on my skin. And this is 100 ml of product, and this is just priced at rupees 95. Really excited to use this one too. The next product that I got is the Lakme 925cc Complexion Care Cream, and I'm in the shade beige. Now I got the smaller one because it has been, since I got pimple, I actually avoided wearing any kind of CC cream, BB cream, or any kind of foundation. But now that I'm back to my makeup routines and all, so I wanted to get my hands on this again. I have already used this before, but the reason I got the smaller one is it's been a long time since I used a CC cream from Lakme, so I was not sure whether the shade is gonna match me or not. So that's the reason I got this one. But let's see if the shade matches my skin tone right now. So I'll definitely buy a bigger one too, because I absolutely love CC cream from Lakme. Now this is just priced at rupees 105, and this is a 9-gram of product. Let's see if it suits, then I'll definitely buy a bigger one. That I got is a scrub, and this is from Himalaya. This is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub with antibacterial properties. I am not a person who loves scrubs much, but yeah, I really wanted to try this out. Now it had been quite a long time since I used a scrub from Himalaya. I used to love the scrub from Himalaya, and I really wanted to use it again, so I got my hands on this one. Now this is just priced at rupees 75, and the quantity mentioned is 50 gram. I am quite sure that this is gonna be great. The next product that I got my hands on is again from Himalaya, and this is the Himalaya Purifying Neem pack. This is for normal to oily skin, and this is how it looks. Again, another thing that I have been using since a long time. In fact, I've used it right now, and I absolutely love this face pack. Really nice, really affordable, really it's really good for the skin, and really awesome product. So this is priced at rupees 75, and the quantity you are getting is 50 grams. The next product that I got is this Dove soap. This is the Cream Beauty Bathing Bar, and this is a 100-gram product and just priced at rupees 45. And trust me guys, this is the only soap that I use to clean my body, because I either go for body washes or this soap. I don't go for any other soap, but because this is so soft, so gentle on the skin, and the other soaps I feel they are more harsh. Definitely had to get this, and in fact I got 4 to 5, I got it in a combo, and this is the next purchase that I did. The next product that I got my hands on is this body wash from Dove. Again, another beautiful body wash from Dove. Now actually this is a repurchase. I've already finished a bottle of this and had to get my hands on this again, because this is such a beautiful body wash. This is the best body wash that I've used till now. Absolutely love this. This is a 190 ml of bottle, and this is priced at 115 only. Now this is actually priced at 140 I believe, but there's a discount. Now I got this for 115. The next product that I got is this Nivea body wash Creme Soft. Now this is the first time that I got this one. Now there are so many variants of this. There are I think 4 to 5 variants or more than that maybe, and I already used the green one before, but I had never used the Creme Soft one. Now I like body wash that is more gentle and more soft on the skin, so that's the reason I got my hands on this one. Now this is a 250 ml of product, and this is priced at just rupees 199. The next product that I got is again a body wash, and this is from Lux. This is the Lux Velvet Touch for smooth fragrant skin. I have never used a body wash from Lux, though I've used a soap from Lux, but the body wash, this is the first time that I got my hands on the body wash, and this is priced at just rupees 55, and the quantity that is mentioned over here is 100 ml. I'm not sure how this is gonna be. The fragrance, it smells like a normal Lux soap, but let's see how it turns to be, and quite excited to use this one too. The next product that I got is for my hair care, and this is the first time that I actually got my hands on this. Now this is the TRESemmé the Keratin Smooth with Keratin and Argan Oil shampoo, and this is how it looks. I never used this one, and I'm very much skeptic or choosy when it comes to my hair care, because there are only few products that actually suit my hair. I'm not sure how this is gonna be, but I'm gonna use this now. This is a 185 ml product, and this is priced at rupees 130. Another product that I got is again from TRESemmé, and this is the conditioner. This is the Keratin Smooth with Keratin and Argan Oil conditioner, and this is how it looks. Again, a new purchase. I've never used this before. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm just keeping my fingers crossed, because I don't want this to damage my hair, and I don't want my money to be wasted, to be true. And this is an 80 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 107. Last but not the least, the product that I got, I have been using this since so many years, and I genuinely think there is no other product that works so good on my hair like this one does. And this is the Sunsilk conditioner. This is their Keratin Yogurt Luxuriously Thick and Long conditioner, and this is how it looks. There are so many variants of conditioner from Sunsilk, but this is the one that works wonders on my hair, so I had to get this. This is a repurchase, and with this, these are the products that I got. I'm actually tired so much because I don't have the habit of talking so much. Anyhow, these are the products that I got, and all the products are below 250 rupees. Some of the products I got it for review purpose, whereas some are repurchases, and some of the products I genuinely wanted to try. And if there's any particular product that you want to see a review of, then do mention in the comment section so that I can review that product first. And having said that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.